Focus your effort on the right places to increase organic reach on social media. Many business owners think that they must have a presence on all social networks to be successful. This is not necessarily true. It is essential to choose the social networks to get followers who will transform into customers over time. Posting on all existing social networks could become a waste of time for some business owners. Now I'm going to explain to you a series of tips that will help you decide the best social network for your business. Just ask your current customers questions. The best way to know if a social network audience is right for your business is by asking your current customers questions. To achieve this, create surveys. You can also call them on the phone and ask what social media they use for personal business purposes. You will be surprised at the quality of the information you will get thanks to this. Analyze the interaction of the share buttons on your social media that you install in your blogs. Blogs often have buttons for readers to share their articles on their social media profiles. Many of these buttons are plugins that include the use of statistics. Analyze the information that these plugins collect to know which social networks your readers are sharing your content. Check your competitors. Check on which social networks your competitors are posting their content. If you do not see them posting on a specific social networks, they may have already analyzed which social networks are best for the business. Thanks for watching. If you like this information, make sure to subscribe to my profile and to my mailing list as well to get much more. Go to www.ramtar.com.